Tax Age: Economic, Social, and Cultural Life of the ASEAN Community. Geographical condition of Southeast Asia. Geographically, Southeast Asia is located between three waters, namely the Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal in the western part, South China Sea to the north, and the Pacific Ocean to the east. Meanwhile, based on the shape of the plains, the Southeast Asian plains are divided into two mainland lands, namely the peninsula and the group of islands. The mainland of the peninsula includes Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, and the western part of Malaysia. Meanwhile, land in the form of an archipelago includes the Philippines, Indonesia, Eastern Malaysia, Singapore, and Brunei Darussalam. This geographical condition causes difference in the economic, social, and cultural life of each country in Southeast Asia. A. Brunei Darussalam. This country is famous for its natural resources in the form of oil and natural gas. Brunei is a country in Southeast Asia that has the highest per capita income due to its natural gas. Ayer Village is a floating village in Brunei Darussalam. In 1400, Kampung Ayer was once the center of government. Today, many residents have private boats in aircraft under their floating house. Brunei culture is heavily influenced by Islamic teaching. The majority of the population is Malay. The word Brunei comes from the word Nahbaru, which was pronounced by Awang Ala Betatar, the founder of this conversation. Pointing with your index finger is considered rude. Traditionally, Bruneians did not shake hands with opposite sex. Taking off shoes is a common habit of Brunei before entering someone else's house. B. Malaysia. The main economic activities of the Malaysian population are in agriculture, mining, and industry. International trade is one of Malaysia's fastest growing economic activities. Electronic equipment, oil, and natural gas are exported to other countries internationally. The statue of Dewa Murunga in Malaysia is a statue measuring 4 to 7 meters. This statue is located in Batu Caves, a cave which is one of the most popular Hindu temples outside India. Dedicated to Lord Murunga, Malaysia has a city called Georgetown Town, which is a city registered in the UNESCO World Heritage. It is located on the island of Penang. Georgetown is a city that has many types of culture. Many buildings are relics of European times and buildings have Chinese Malay nuances. The three main groups in Malaysia are Malays, Chinese, and Indians. His traditional music is heavily influenced by Chinese, Islamic, Indian, and Indonesian cultures. His specialty is nasi lemak, which means fatty rice.